Yan, Chelvan TV, kung makakita niyo, ito yung pinakamukha niya. White pearl color itong ating Kia Carnival. You see that? It's very beautiful. You see that LED lights here? In daylight time. Yan. Daytime light. And you see that mugs. You see the mugs? It's very beautiful, right? And we'll see in this side for the passenger. Wow, it's lock. They make automatic lock. We need to open here in the driver's seat. Yeah, this is the central lock. Yun. Nag-click na. Yan yung loob ng ating driver's seat. You see that? It's very, very, very beautiful. Wow, 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 right? And then look at here. In the passenger, like I said, it's not fully automatic. The door only manual open and close. Here's the mats, carpet mats. And you see all folded by plastic. That's why it's all new. That is very, very beautiful car. It's good for the family. And you know that the emblem of Kia is already replaced like this. This is the emblem. And check this, open. Open like this. You see that? Oh, very huge. You look the wide baggage compartment. See, it's very deep compartment here. Kahit gaano karami. As you can see, this is the last row of the seat. And this is the middle on the center row. And if you want folder this, I think like this only. See? Like this. And all you want folded. Yan. You see? They folded easily. Then, yeah. You look at that. Look at that white pearl. See, very beautiful. Look at this side. See this side? Then now we'll go inside again. See the bus. We'll go inside again. That's right, all folks. Chelvan TV here. Bye-bye everyone. Ngayon isang magandang pasilip ulit ang ating binahagi sa inyo. Na sana mapasana all ka na lang. Na sana balang araw magkaroon din tayo ng mga ganitong sasakyan. Bye-bye everyone. God bless us all. Thank you very much for watching and always support my channel. God bless us all. Bye-bye.